Hello, friends! Today we're learning about drive-by download attacks. This is one of the most silent and dangerous cyber attacks because malware installs on your computer without you clicking anything. I will explain how it happens and how you can stay safe. A drive-by download is when malware installs itself automatically on your device the moment you visit a dangerous or infected website. You do not need to click anything. Just opening the site is enough for the attack to start. This attack works by taking advantage of security weaknesses in your web browser or plugins like Flash, Java, or PDF readers. If these are outdated, hackers can run code in the background and install malware without you noticing. These attacks usually come from dangerous websites, fake ads, suspicious pop-ups, or even trusted websites that have been hacked. Sometimes the attacker hides the malware inside an ad on a normal website. The scary part is the type of malware they install. It can be spyware that steals your data, ransomware that locks your files, or Trojans that give hackers control over your device. You won't know it happened until the damage is done. If your computer suddenly slows down, shows strange apps, crashes unexpectedly, or your browser behaves weirdly, it might be a drive-by download infection. Some malware stays hidden, so you must be alert. To protect yourself, keep your browser updated. Avoid suspicious links and block pop-ups. Also, disable old plugins like Flash or Java because hackers often target them. A good antivirus can also block drive-by attacks. These are some famous drive-by download toolkits used by attackers. They target browser weaknesses, infect your system, and install malware within seconds. Always be careful when browsing the internet. One wrong website can install dangerous malware without you even noticing. Stay updated, use trusted sites, and stay safe online.